You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. We'll be looking at how to say it correctly. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary as well that many mispronounce in English, and example of sentences. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel and until the end of the video. First off, let's break down how you say it. Two different ways of pronouncing it. British English on top here of your screen says it as numerator, numerator, with a stress on the first syllable, numerator. Now the American English in the US, they say it as numerator, numerator, or numerator. An example of sentence that will help you understand what it is as well, the meaning of numerator. In mathematics, the numerator is the number above the line in a fraction. Numerator, numerator is how you pronounce it, and now I think you essentially know it all. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.